Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2022 Volvo XC40 T5 Polestar Engineered. So, Polestar Engineered, it's a software upgrade that's available through your dealer. It's a $1,295 option right about. And it's gonna sit there and it's gonna improve the driving experience. It's a transmission tune, it's an engine tune for more horsepower, more mid-range torque. It's gonna tune the all-wheel drive system to make it a little bit more rear biased. It's gonna increase throttle response and just make everything a bit sportier. It's accessible through your drive mode button. Hit Polestar Engineered, which we have done. Panoramic sunroof. Overall, really, really nice in here. Oh, hold on. Alright, so that's how you activate all that. Cool. Let's go for a drive. All in all, I love the XC40. It's definitely a fun to drive vehicle. Added power with the Polestar upgrade is definitely welcome. The advertised mid-range power is where they really spent their time, so I definitely feel a difference. I honestly do. I also hear the turbo a bit more too. That is not bad at all. Best part about this is, if you wanted that added power but were afraid to void your warranty, it's a factory option. And based on this R design, this thing's a perfect package. Now, in recent years, Polestar has become their own brand, offering electric and hybrid vehicles. But if you remember years past, Polestar was Volvo's performance, kind of like AMG to Mercedes. So, Polestar engineer, it doesn't add a battery in this case. It adds some power and driving dynamics. I definitely want to try a Polestar at some point, either Polestar 1, Polestar 2. Give it a shot, see what it's like. But honestly, you can't go wrong with that Polestar DNA. Let's see here. Well, that's not a spot, but nice try. Close enough. I knew it wouldn't work. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.